was getting ready to wash my hair. So, in my life of a naturalista, day of hair washing events, I got my fermented rice and got everything together. And I was getting ready to pull down my hair. And I said, oh, let me get my Curlmix box and open it up. And as I was about to open it up, I saw a little taggy that said, share your unboxing and tag us. So I wanted to just make sure I recorded the process of me actually doing this because why not? I do blog here or there on all my hair care, natural hair care type stuff. So I wanted to do this. And the reason why I actually bought this product was because I run out of everything else that I have, and I'm way too lazy to create one of my mango butter type mixtures, which is the route I usually go. I actually need to make some Baird stuff for my husband, so I still have to do that. But in the interim, I wanted to try something that supposedly will help my curls be popping without me having to, do anything specifically to it. So I got my handy dandy scissors, and I'm going to open up the curl box. So let's see how this goes. So it seems like it's a pretty easy box to open. It's just the one little thing I have to curl through my hair. And let's see. Oh, so it's so pretty, y'all. Anyway, of course it has my little information on it. Look, guys, you see the popping curls on these ladies? I want popping curls too. So let's see what happens. And everyone have a different texture. And if you've been watching any of my videos, I know it's been like quite some time, but I have a mixture of like 4A, 3C type hair. So it really depends. Right now it's kind of blown out and it's very rough looking. I just came back from the gym. So obviously you can see my sports bra and everything. I look a mess, no makeup on. I woke up like this. But anyway, so I got the Pure Avocado Moisturizer, and I did not get the entire set. So like the set includes like the shampoo, the conditioner, and then you have the strengthen moisturizer, and then I think the topper, if I'm not mistaken, is the gel that you add to your hair once you kind of wash everything. So these each container is 8 ounces. It was a few dollars. It was, nothing super expensive. I didn't subscribe to Curlmix because I want to be able to try the product first to see how it's going to work in my hair, if it even smells yummy. This is supposed to be like a vanilla berry fragrance. I don't know. We shall see how it actually smells. Actually, let's smell it right now and see. Oh, y'all, this is like, it smells really good. So usually when I make my own products, I use my mango butter because I love the smell of it and it really helps with my type of hair. And the fragrance of it naturally is really nice, so I don't have to add a whole bunch of essential oils to it to develop a fragrance that I really like. So, this whole line is obviously the same fragrance. I hope you can see. I know the sun is kind of like glistening on it a little bit, but oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. This is the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. You guys, this thing smells like so amazing. I got like one of the cheapest ones. Oh, there's steps on it. So it tells you this is step 3, and then this is step 4. So obviously the shampoo would be step 1 and the conditioner would be step 2. Those products I did not get because I'm very particular about how I wash my hair and what products I use to condition it, and my hair is pretty set on a certain thing. And as you see, I like recently bleached it again. The roots, even though it looks like it's growing out already, it's like But anyway, so I'm gonna try these products. I'm gonna try to capture it. I know, y'all, I'm very terrible with doing all of this. I'm gonna try to video record it or take pictures or something of me applying steps 3 and 4 to my hair after my wash. So if you don't know, I usually make my own concoction shampoo, and then I just use I think it's Suave. I've taken pictures of them before, so I'll try to insert a picture of them so you guys know exactly what it is I've used. But then I also, with my shampoo, because it leaves my hair feeling kind of like that squeaky clean, I like to add an oil to it to help it, just help with just applying, giving my hair moisture. I also have very low porosity type hair, especially like in the back and in the middle. The front isn't too bad. And the back of my hair, once it's wet, it's more of like the 3C texture, and in the middle and front is more of like the 4A texture. I know, it's crazy. I'm sure you all understand what it is I'm going through. But anyway, I'll keep you posted. This video is way too long. But thank you guys, Curlmix, for sending me my box. I'm very, very excited. Can't wait to try everything. And everything smells so yummy and delicious. So we'll see how it goes. Bye.